Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord 2T, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this phone through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings. From here, scroll all the way down to System Settings and scroll down again where you'll find Backup and Reset. When you click on it, at the bottom you will see Reset Phone option. Click on it and then select Erase All Data. Now if you have some kind of PIN, pattern or password, you will need to confirm it right over here. I do have a pattern, as you can see, so I'm gonna confirm that, and once I do, as you can see, it gives me a pop-up to erase all data, and also a message: this will erase all data, and then are you sure you want to continue? This will erase all data and cannot be undone. Now just to kind of go into this, because the explanation of what erase all data means is absolutely just skipped here. So all data doesn't mean like everything really. The system will still be here, meaning Android system. What it will remove is your personal data, and that is probably more accurate. So things like downloaded apps, music, photos, anything that you have downloaded to the web, some pictures, whatever, documents, whatever you have on the phone that you have put on it after the setup will be completely removed. So if there is anything that you'd like to keep, do make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now, assuming you have already made a copy of it, or you simply don't want to, proceed by selecting Erase All Data once again, or Erase Data, and this will begin the process. This will probably take like 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's finished, we will be presented with Android setup. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.